Hello and welcome back. Today we will practice Makarasana, the crocodile pose. Begin by sitting in Vajrasana. Extend your arms in front of you and gently lower your body to the ground. Starting with your legs, lower your hips, stomach, chest, and shoulders to the mat facing down. Bring your hands to the front of the mat, cross them, and rest your forehead on your palms. Spread your legs to the edge of the mat. Maintain the posture for 30 seconds to 3 minutes. Keep breathing in and out. Relax. Moving on to the variation of Makarasana. Slowly lift your right leg, fold from the knee, and place it on the back of your left knee like this. Relax. Keep breathing in and out. And come back. Repeat with your left leg. Makarasana stretches the spine and relaxes back muscles, which can help alleviate pain and improve posture. Deep breathing in this pose expands the lungs, improving oxygen intake and benefiting respiratory health. By promoting relaxation and gentle pressure on the abdomen, Makarasana can help improve digestion, lowers blood pressure, and improves overall cardiovascular health. Now lift your head and torso, join your elbows like this. Place your face on your palm and stay in this position for at least 30 seconds or more if you like. You will feel stretched all over and relaxed. Keep breathing in and out. Come back to the initial position. Beneficial for those with insomnia or irregular sleep patterns. Avoid if you have low blood pressure, severe cardiac problems, or if you are pregnant. If you experience any pain or discomfort, stop and adjust the pose. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing yoga every day and we'll see you soon.